Hi, let's learn how to make a creamy macaroni cheese pasta. For this you would require 20 grams butter, 20 grams of refined flour, 200 ml of milk. Along with that, processed cheese 20 grams and mozzarella cheese 20 grams. And yes, macaroni 150 grams. Start boiling the water in a half-filled stock pot. Add in 2 tablespoons of salt. Along with that, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which brings in taste and prevents the pasta from sticking to each other. Cook the pasta till the al dente stage and finally transfer it into cold water to prevent overcooking. And that's how it should look. To prepare the white sauce, you could add in butter to a heated pan. Add in some refined flour and keep on continuously whisking it. Now you could add in the 200 ml of milk inside it and again continuously stir it to prevent lump formation. After which you could add in the boiled macaroni pasta and fold the sauce in the pasta. For seasoning, you could add salt and white pepper. At this stage, you could add in the shredded mozzarella cheese. Transfer this mixture into a baking tin, add some more cheese and chopped parsley. Place this baking tin in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And that's your creamy mac and cheese pasta, which could be served along with some garlic bread. That's it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe and keep watching.